I have a landscape lighting I purchased at Walmart and need a replacement transformer. The transformer is Intertek model PW903PA351218 VDC, output 35 watt. Walmart has discontinued this product even though it is only a year old. What is the recommended replacement product?
I'll do all I can to help. Can you tell me more about what's going on?
The transformer stopped working and I need a new transformer. I can't find an 18 VDC 35 watt transformer.
Is there anything else the expert should be aware of?
No.
Hello, my name is. I'll be helping with your question today. Please give me a moment to review/research your question and I will get back to you shortly. In the meantime, you may reply to me at any time if you think of any additional details that may be helpful. For example, photos, brand and model information, sketches, locations, etc. etc. You will see a pop-up for an offer to call me. This is website generated and is not from me. Please disregard at this time. This is optional and usually not necessary. Please confirm the model #3512 indicates 35 watts at 12 volts.
I have been able to find a replacement, so thank you.
That's great. Where? I looked for you for quite a while with no real luck.
The company had a phone number that I called. Jiawei Technologies.
If you ever need more assistance with this or a different electrical question, please let me know. You can favorite me as a preferred expert for easy access and answers to your new questions, or just let me know by starting your electrical question with "for customer quo." That way other experts will leave it alone and we can connect. No need to reply.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.